Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the grid settings in your wireframing editor and how you can make the most out of them in this video. Aligning components correctly in your wireframe designs can be challenging and time-consuming. This video will show you how to do it with ease. We're using MockFlow, a highly intuitive wireframing tool that simplifies the process. Just enable grid settings by clicking on background grid settings icon at the bottom bar, and here you'll find various options for aligning your components. Prepare all the components you need for your wireframe, and then we'll explore how MockFlow makes it easy to align them perfectly. By choosing Snap to Component from the grid settings, you can align components quickly using the Snap feature. This setting allows you to align components easily with the help of guidelines in just a snap. When selecting a snap to grid, you need to enter your preferred grid size. This allows you to snap components according to the grid size. As you move the component, it will snap to the grid pixels specified in the grid settings. Choosing No Snapping allows you to align components without grids, using only guidelines. By using the grid settings and guidelines in MockFlow, you can easily align your UI components and create visually appealing wireframes.